You can lift this wig up and lift it right back down because I did not glue this baby down. So it looks very, very realistic, guys. Very pretty. Guys, so this is the finished look of this unit right here. Very simple review. I know. I didn't use anything to install this unit, just cut the lace off and plopped it on. Now this unit was sent to me, guys, obviously from RPGHairwig.com. This unit is their Curly Edges Hairline Deep Wave Invisible HD Lace 13x6 lace frontal wig, guys. The SKU number on this unit, guys, is LFW91. So this one is 20 inches long, guys. It is a curly texture, as you guys can see. Now, like I said, didn't do anything. It comes with curly edges, so I did not glue this unit down, guys. It comes on and right off. Now the reason why I wanted to do this for this video is because I was looking for a wig that was glueless AF that I could actually wear on a tropical trip. I've been having the most challenges with the glues in the hot weather. The last few trips I went on, it was super hot out there and my wigs were just not sticking down. So I was trying to find a nice type of curly unit that had a little bit of curly edges, and the reason why I wanted it that way, guys, is because if you want to wear this glueless, you just kind of have to leave the baby hairs, just let them do what they need to do. Obviously, you guys saw in the front here, I didn't really touch the baby hairs. I just kind of let them have their own character, their own little fine look, and just left it like that. It looks realistic, and it also hides the line of the track as well too, not the track, the lace. So you really can't see the lace at all. You just gotta play around with it a little bit, do a few styles on the unit, and then you're pretty much good to go. And you won't be able to detect or tell anything with this unit, guys, which is one reason why I like it. I feel like it looks very, very natural, very, very pretty. And like I said, if you're going on a tropical trip and you don't want to use adhesives, which I don't recommend, I'm really trying to come up off that because it's just not working out. Unless you have recommendations on some really, really strong glue. I feel like if it's hot and humid, the glue just does not last, and all that gunk and stuff in the summer coming up, I just don't want to deal with it. So this unit works perfect to disguise any hair that you don't, or the lace that you don't want to show. Now obviously I did show it to you guys in the middle part style, just because the unit did come to me in the middle part style, but I think this would actually look really cute as a side part as well, so I'll probably switch it over to the side part. But I do like the hair texture. The curls are very, very pretty. It's like a loose deep wave type of texture, and even though the baby hairs in the front are kind of like a curly style, it's still goes with the texture of the hair. This is a deep parting space, guys, so 6 inches goes back pretty far, and you guys can see it's already HD and invisible AF, so you don't have to do anything. I added a little bit of powder to the parting space just to kind of pull everything through. But you guys can see, very simple, very easy. On both sides you'll see I did go ahead and leave the baby hairs and let the baby hairs do what they need to do, just so that It doesn't look like I'm plastering them down. I feel like a lot of the companies should make their curly units or the water wave units with curly baby hair, just because the straight hair and then trying to plaster it down, which I am guilty of doing that. I'm not going to sit here and talk about it like I'm not guilty of it, but the plaster baby hairs with curly hair, it's a little bit odd. I do feel like just having them look like, look at that. Look at how cute that looks. So natural, so cute, and it just looks so realistic, effortless. And like I said, you can lift this wig up and lift it right back down because I did not glue this baby down. So it looks very, very realistic, guys. Very pretty and just giving the vibes. All I did was just kind of like play with the baby ears to open the parting space up so you guys can kind of see it. It's not too perfect. Like I said, when I feel like with curly hair and you kind of have like the straight baby hairs, it just looks too perfect when it's not realistic. If you want to go for a more natural style, I feel like the curly baby hairs just make the wig looking more natural and realistic. Look at that. Do a cute little style like that. Maybe tuck this back. Put a little bit of that sideburn down on the side right here. You know, look good. Very simple, very easy, guys. I will leave all the information down below, including a coupon code if you want to purchase this unit from rpghairwig.com. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.